Are you trying to find the best auto body shop in the Waco, Texas Harrison area? If you are hoping to find an auto body shop in Waco's Harrison area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Waco Texas Harrison service, auto body repairs estimates. If you have ever had to have your vehicle checked out or repaired, you will know that there are many businesses that use automobile body repair services, so exactly how do you narrow down your option? Right here are a few guidelines to assist you. Has the business been in business for a very long time? Household head services are normally passed down as well as have a great track record in addition to high quality service. They are extremely experienced as well as take their task personally. Normally, they take pleasure in return trade or trade comes their method with little marketing or advertising, however by word of mouth from extremely pleased clients. That is one marketing service you can't beat. Nevertheless, the business must still have an web existence. Is the work insured? One of the important points you must think about from a high-quality automobile body repair shop is the assurance. This is important as without assurance any type of faulty craftsmanship will not be remedied, as well as you may find yourself having to pay one more firm to put it right. Does the business have great customer care? The trademark of a high-quality business is the method it handles its clients in addition to its prospective clients. A business that is courteous as well as quick to react to all inquiries with equal interest to detail makes sure to provide a high-quality service. Does the business have a verifiable performance history? Lots of business set up as well as put a few testimonies on their site, as well as these can be phony. There is no chance to tell if they are authentic or not, so although testimonies are fantastic, do not put so much emphasis on them. Does the business have get in touch with details on the website? This is very important, so you can contact them either by phone or by email. Remain method from business that only have an email web type to complete without any other ways of get in touch with offered. Does the business use premium quality repair services to a variety of different makes as well as designs of vehicle? Exactly how swiftly can the repair services be embarked on? Undoubtedly you want a high quality task, however if you have to leave your vehicle in the automobile repair shop for weeks, this may be an issue with alternate travel expenses. You will need to employ a vehicle to utilize whilst yours is being repaired, as well as time is money. As a result, when acquiring an evaluation for repair services, make sure the time period is likewise factored into the costing. Will the business alert you if they discover something else that needs interest? Frequently, other issues can be discovered when work has started on the bodywork of an automobile, as well as a great service technician will inform you if he finds anything else that must be dealt with. The decision must be yours whether it is to be taken care of or not. The service technician must not deal with the work as well as just add it to your expense at the end. Complete auto body near me for Waco, Texas Harrison. Visit a local auto body shop in the Waco, Texas Harrison area to get your car back on the road today. Thanks for checking out Auto Body Shop in Waco Harrison. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.